You can easily see what other users are doing or editing in your spreadsheet if you have shared out your document. Let's say, for example, they made something else, like let's say, for example, they have made some change or working with a particular cell, then you can see that it is reflected right here as like this. If you're on another cell and you don't know where the other user is working at, then you can simply click on their name right here. And then you can see that it just highlights that particular area. It goes onto that particular tab, onto that particular section, so that you can view what the other users are doing. The other users can comment, and you can also leave a comment right here. Let's say, for example, you want to leave a comment right here, then you can right click, you can go around into comment, and then you can say, you can press add to assign them this right here. So you can assign a specific people right here, assign it right there so they get the notification, and you can say please change back the name right here. So once I do that, you can assign it, and what happens is that the other user will be able to view it from their end. So from their end, it is assigned to me, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and do that. So I'm just going to say GameCube right here, and that is how we can work around with it. And I can also go around over here, and then you can see that this is what I have. I can reply, I can go around, press add right here, choose the user of my choice, and say done right here, reply. And what happens is that I get the reply right here, and that is how you can converse and then go around and then work around with it, collaborate with the object, with the document. So you can also press check mark right here to resolve that comment, so it does not show up there anymore. And whatever has a comment, it shows this little triangular icon right here. And that is how you can work around with commenting, and you can see what other users are actually doing in real time in that particular spreadsheet in Google Sheet. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.